Okay, sorry for interruption. Alright, now if we want to add any other data item but there is no index at all, so how can we do that? So there is one attribute called append method in our Python library. So how to do this? Simply we have to write first of all the name of the variable or a list, you can more specifically say. Then we want to write the function we know, append, right? And in append whatever you will give, but we remember sure that you pass the data which is of same data type, else it will provide an error to you. Okay, let's say we will add Noor. Okay, right, now let's see if it's work. Oh yeah, it's work again. So in this way you can append your list very easily. Okay, now you know how to display a list, how to create a list, and even now you know how to append the list. But what about deleting an item or deleting a whole list? It's also quite easy. Just you have to use a del keyword for this and write which element you want to or which index you want to delete. Let's say you want to delete the index 3. Okay, means the recent index you want to delete, let's say Noor. So how to do this? We will use the del keywords only, and there we write friends, which is simply name of the list and the index 3. That's all. No error. Keep going. Let's check it out if it is worked. Yeah, it's worked. Noor is now deleted. Well, so in this way we can delete a element from list. Now what you think about deleting the whole list? So it's also quite easy. In this case we just need to again initialize it with null list, and here we go. Yeah, again it's empty. So it's quite easy to do this all of this stuff quite well, right? Now there's so many more things in this initializing the list, like you want to nest it with other list, or you want to nest it with a dictionary or tuples, or even sets are there, you can nest it with it. And say so many different ways to use list in your program or code, right? So it's quite easy also, not too difficult to do it. So now friends, let's talk about how to delete an item, particular item for say from the list. So it's also quite easy to do this. Let me retrieve the, okay, so it's my old list and I want to delete a particular element from this list. Let's say again we want to delete Harshita string from this. So how can we do that? First of all, write the name of the string dot. Now the function is called remove. Sorry, remove. And which string you want to remove? Harshita, right? So let's do it. No error. Cool. Let's print it out and check if it is done. Yeah, it deleted. Oh yeah, right. Now what if we have to list and we want to concatenate it? Then what we will do? It's also not too typical to use it. But before this, I want to provide you something more. Let's say we have a string called name. and in the string I will tell like I'll love all my friends, sorry, and my teachers. Okay, I want to just initialize a string in variable name. Now there is a function called split function which is used to split every word from the string into the list. Let's say if it is done names, let's say the name will be the next variable for the list, and we will do the string name is name dot split this, oh sorry, sorry, it's error, sorry. So it's simple, this is splitted. Let's check if it is done quite right. Names, yeah, you can see now we have the list of all the words from the string. Now let's say we want to simply extend it to the previous list of friends. How to do this? This is also very simple. We have to do friends dot extend, and here we will write names. That's all, it's done. Try it. Yeah, now you can see the list name friends and the list names have concatenated along with each other, right? Okay, so let's try one more string called n. Here we will write you can say narrator, okay, and the name is Rajanya, another name is Yato, and the last name is Takito. We have created a list again. Now we want that our list sorry, again concatenate with the names we have earlier in the original names of friends. Now how to do this? This is also quite simple, but first of all we have to filter it out. So it's a typical small program for this. Now let's check it out. Okay, so now we are going to write a code for sorting it out. I'm going too fast. I will explain it later that what I have done in the coding, so no problem, right? Here we are just extracting the waste items we have written after the string names. We are just going to extract out all the names like Priya and Neha Upadhyay, and we will concatenate it with the list name n. Alright, so let's jump in.